welcome back to my page. Today I'm gonna be making some lemony chicken and also some spicy lemony chicken as well. You'll need for this recipe some, I have just squeezed here some 4 lemons. I have here some onions that have been chopped. I'm going to be using these later. Also some zested lemon as well. Some garlic I'm going to be adding in my chicken and on my rice. Some onions that I have chopped as well for my chicken. I also use this butter chicken spices and the biryani. I love these. You need some salt and pepper. Salt and pepper. You can use any salt that you want. I have here some olive oil as well that I'm going to be using. I have here some of my chicken. I have cut them in half. You can use any kind of chicken. And I'm going to start preparing these. Show you guys what exactly I'm going to be doing with the spices. Stay tuned. To mention, I'm adding some yogurt into this and I can't wait to try it after it's done. I'll be adding my chicken at 375 in the middle rack until it's all cooked and grilled. It takes about 40 minutes to be all cooked, inshallah. You guys will see the results when this is done. I cannot wait. What I have done, I also added some olive oil to my bowl that had the chicken. We're able to scrub everything in it, and I just drizzle it over on top.